like I said, don't over tighten it, just good and snug.
Yeah, it's in.
Okay, once it's in there good and snug, we're going to take this guy right here.
Alright.
Snap it on, make sure it goes on all the way.
Here, let me have that.
Yep.
Isn't that an awful lot of hose?
Maybe for this car, for other ones it may not be.
I'm gonna need 2 hands. Good thing I can fill it though.
Sometimes, because like I said, otherwise it makes it feel like it snaps in place. It don't.
Alright.
Okay. Now you're gonna need somebody either inside the car or out here.
Am I doing that? Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Of course.
Need the key.
Is this automatic or stick?
Automatic.
Okay. Please make sure it's in park. That's really important to make sure you tell people that. Just letting you know.
Oh, wait a minute. Fuel system.
What? We're okay. Wait, all your ignitions are, you unplugged your...
They're all unplugged.
Oh no, did you unplug the coil pack?
Don't know how.
Okay, hang on. What you have to do is disconnect the wires or it's going to go boom boom.
Let's see, where's that?
Right here.
Yeah, because I never done it on this one.
So, just got to push in here. I'll let you do it. So you push in on that little thing right here.
Oh, the little tap thing?
Yep.
Right.
And then lift up on it.
Alright, let's see. Oh, right here?
Yep. Push in and wiggle it off. Yep.
Alright, there
Now that should kill your ignition right there.
Okay.
Okay. Now, go ahead and crank it.
Here. Set up in the light.
And when I do this, stop.
Yep. Alright.
Okay, record the reading
See.
and go to your next cylinder.
Alright. About 140.
What was the first crank? Watch it.
Alright, let's see. I think it was 70.
Okay, so right down to 7140.
Okay.
Yeah, just make a mental note of that first crank, and then the last one you'll remember because it was so beyond the gauge. Yep. So write down 70, then put a slash, then put 140.
0. Yeah, good.
Yep.
Not
Go to next cylinders.
Not the best handiwork. But it works. Sharm.
So.
Sharm,
What?
can you pass me the flashlight over there? Thank you.
So, it's a general rule, but as a general rule, the first crank should be minimum half of the final crank. Generally, if so, like his was 140, his first crank should be, you want
all right.
So,
turn it over.
you will.
Let's see.
There.
That was weird.
What happened?
Yeah, sure.
What?
It was on the low end when it first cranked.
Okay. Do it one more
Try
time.
one more. Turn it over.
Ready?
Yeah, go. All right. What do you think that was? About 50?
I think it was 60.
So what happens?
How much?
I think I seen 60.
It's called a flex.
60? Let's solve right here.
I told him didn't. I don't.
Let's call it 55 and 50. How's that sound? All right.
So the longer it is.
Well, you gotta let me know when to stop. Ready?
Here, I'm
Go.
going to count them all for you so you know.
Up.
Let me hear it. One,
All right.
one.
That was 50 again, right?
Yeah.
So
50 and 45. All right
here's
there.
what I'm going to tell you. Yes.
50, 45. Wait.
Next week,
Let's see.
leak counts was an action.
Slash.
So instead of us guessing
40 or 45?
all the compression,
I think 40.
40? Okay.
How was that one?
Yeah, I believe it was right there.
What happened on that one?
Look good. Okay, go into cylinder number 4. Let's see, can I get that in there?
but just think what would happen could you have found that cyst.
Ah,
You have been
all
like
right.
my best friend this whole semester.
Turn it over.
No, it's funny because I remember you saying it, but I don't remember.
Turn it over.
Anything else about that conversation?
Yeah. I ran.
Stop. All right, that was weird.
Blew it off. Yeah, I ran into a guy at
Oh shit. All right, whatever.
one of the liquor places, and he goes, "Oh, he goes,
Felt like I was in there."
Everyone corporations, this and that, and his grandmother is on our board of directors and all that, and so we have this big tank. He goes, "Dude, I can find it for you."
Turn it over.
I said,
Up 40 again.
I said, if there's any way you can, that would do it. I would probably get more, but yeah, if I get just the 6 pound, I would love to have had 2 weeks ago. She just had her first grandbaby.
Yeah, you told me.
Just hit about 66,000 on it now. Yep.
It's
05. It's on the paper right there.
It's made in Malta.
All right. Crack it up. 50, and that's about what, 43, 42?
That was her mom. So my ex-girlfriend went to Malta, and the son paid for.
All right, turn it off. Yeah, that won't be enough time to do it tonight. Remind me next week personally, and I'll give you a hand. Because that's sometimes I forget. Not purposely, I just do. All right. Let's see. Here you go. Sit up. All right, crank it up. All right. That one's a little bit low. That one's about how much there?